Find the equation of the circle passing through the origin and having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 4 and intersecting the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0 orthogonally. So find the equation of the circle. We have to find the equation of the circle. Given conditions are the circle passing through the origin, that is the circle passing through the point 0, 0 and having its center on the line x plus y is equal to 4. So first we are taking the equation of circle in standard form. Standard form means x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. Now what is the center of this circle? Center is equals to minus g comma minus f. That is given that the center lies on this line, that is minus g comma minus f point lies on this line. That's the second given condition. And next condition is intersecting the circle orthogonally. So given that the required circle and this circle, these two are orthogonal to each other. That is, we apply the orthogonal condition to these two circles, and orthogonal condition is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. So first we substitute the origin in the circle equation, then we get c is equal to 0. Next, having its center on this line, replace center minus g comma minus f in this line. Then we get the equation minus g minus f is equal to 4. That is the second condition. And also given that the circle intersects the given circle orthogonally. That is, we apply the orthogonal condition. By using this total data, we can solve the problem now. So first we are taking the equation of circle. That equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. See, given that it passes to the origin. Given that it passes through origin, that is 0, 0. Means, replacing 0, 0 here, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus c equals to 0. That implies c equals to 0. Therefore, the equation becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy equals to 0. So, equation 1. C equal to 0. Replacing c is equal to 0 in the above circle equation. Then it becomes x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. We are taking this as the first equation. And second condition, center lies on the line x plus y is equal to 4. Given that center minus g comma minus f lies on x plus y equals to 4. That is, replacing the point in this equation, that is minus g minus f is equals to 4, which implies writing these two negative terms to the other side, then g plus f plus 4 equals to 0. This is the second equation. Now also given that the circle intersects the given circle orthogonally. Now applying the orthogonal condition to these two circles. Circle equation, given circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0, which is taken as the third equation. Now we are applying the orthogonal condition to the first and third equations, since given that required circle is orthogonal to the given circle. So one is perpendicular to the 3. That is, we are taking the values here from the first equation. We are taking the values g of c from the first equation. So from the first equation we have 2g is equals to 2g and 2f is equals to 2f and c is equals to, there is no constant in the given equation, so we are taking c is equal to 0. 2g is equal to 2g, 2f is equal to 2f, both are same, which implies here g is equals to g and f is equals to f. Now from the second equation, from the third equation, now from the third equation, here 2g dash is equal to x quotient minus 4 and 2f dash is equals to y quotient 2 and c dash is equals to 4 constant, that is g dash is equals to minus 2 and f dash equals to 1. Now applying the orthogonal condition, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash, that is 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 1 equals to 0 plus 4, that is minus 4g plus 2f is equals to 4, which implies minus 2g plus f equals to 2. 2 cancellation, which is taken as the fourth equation. Now solving the equation 2 and 4. Already we have the second equation g plus f plus 4 equal to 0 and here fourth equation is minus 2g plus f is equal to 2. Now solving these two equations. from 2 and 4. First I am writing the second equation, which is g plus f plus 4 is equals to 0, and this is minus 2g plus f minus 2 equal to 0, which implies changing the signs here, plus minus plus. Plus of minus f gets cancelled. Now this is 3g plus 6 is equals to 0. Then 3g is equals to minus 6. Then the value of g is equals to minus 2. Since this g is equal to minus 2 value in the second equation, g plus f plus 4 is equal to 0. That is minus 2 plus f plus 4 is equals to 0. Then f plus 2 is equals to 0. Then the value of f is equals to minus 2. Therefore, we are replacing all these values in the circle equation. Therefore, from the first equation, we take the equation of circle. From equation 1, we have that x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equal to 0. Already we have that c is equal to 0 since it passes to the origin. Now, replacing the values, x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 2 into x plus 2 into minus 2 into y equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0, which is the required answer. That's all. Find the equation of the circle which passes through the points 2, 0, 0, 2 and orthogonal to the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Find the equation of the circle. We want to find the equation of the circle given that the circle passes through the points 2, 0, 0, 2. Means we are replacing these 2 points in the circle equation. And also given that the circle is orthogonal to the given circle. So applying the orthogonal condition to the required circle and this circle. By using those 3 equations, we can find the values of g of c. That is the procedure. So first we are taking the equation of circle. Let equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So equation 1. Now we are taking this given circle equation. Given circle is 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equals to 0. So given that square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. So first converting this equation to the standard form, that is dividing this total equation by 2. Then we get x square plus y square plus 5x by 2 minus 3 by plus 2 is equals to 0. So equation 2, dividing this total equation by 2 to convert this equation to the standard form. Now it becomes x square plus y square plus 5x by 2 minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. We are taking this equation as the second equation. Now given that the required circle is orthogonal to the given circle, so means these two are orthogonal to each other, so applying the orthogonal condition. Further first we are taking the values. Given that first circle is orthogonal to the second circle, so we are taking the values here from first equation. From equation 1 we have 2z is equals to 2g, 2f is equals to 2f and c is equals to c. All values are same, that is g is equals to g, f is equals to f and c is equal to c. Now from the second equation we have 2g dash is equals to 5 by 2 and 2f dash is equals to minus 3 and c dash is equals to 2. That is g dash is equals to 5 by 4, f dash is equals to minus 3 by 2. Now applying the orthogonal condition. Orthogonal condition is 2g dash plus 2f f dash is equals to c plus c dash. That is 2 into g dash value 5 by 4 plus 2 into f dash value minus 3 by 2 is equals to c plus 2. Plus taking to LCM, 5g minus 6f by 2 is equal to c plus 2. That is 5g minus 6f is equals to, taking cross product, 2c plus 4, that is 5g minus 6f minus 2c minus 4 equal to 0. So third equation. Now this is third equation. Now also given that the circle passing through the points 2, 0, 0, 2. Now replacing these 2 points in the above circle equation. That is, since circle 1 passes through 2, 0. Since circle 1 passes through 2, 0, replacing 2, 0 point there, 4 2 square, 4 plus 0 square, 0 plus 2g into 2 plus 0 plus c is equals to 0. That is 4g plus c plus 4 equals to 0. 4g plus c plus 4. So equation 4. Now this equation 4. Again we are replacing the second point with the first circle equation. That is, since circle 1 passes through 0, 2. Circle 1 passes through 0, 2. Now replacing this point there. 0 square, 0 plus 2 square, 4 plus 2g into 0, 0 plus 2f into 2 plus c equal to 0. That is 4f plus c plus 4. 2 into 2f, 4f plus c plus 4 equals to 0. So equation 5. Now we are finding the values of g, f, c by solving the equations, third equation, fourth equation and fifth equation. Now solving the equations 3, 4, 5. So first we are writing the third and fourth equations here. Third equation, this is third equation and fourth equation. Now here we are multiplying the fourth equation by 2 to get the 10 2c. Here we have minus 2c in the third equation. So to get 2c we are multiplying the fourth equation by 2. That is 8g plus 2c plus 8 equal to 0. Fourth equation into 2. Now here minus 2c plus 2c gets cancelled. Now adding the remaining terms, 13g minus 6f plus 4 is equals to 0, which is taken as equation 6. And here also we are taking the fourth and fifth equations. This is the fourth equation, this is the fifth equation. Now plus c. Now changing the signs of the last equation, second equation, that is here plus c minus c gets cancelled. Also here plus 4 minus 4 gets cancelled. Now writing the remaining terms, that is 4g minus 4f is equals to 0. That is 4g is equals to 4f, then g is equals to f. Now replacing g is equal to f in this equation, that is 13g minus 6g plus 4 equal to 0, which implies 7g plus 4 equals to 0. That is 7g is equals to minus 4, then g is equals to minus 4 by 7. G is equal to minus 4 by 7, then f is also equals to minus 4 by 7, since both are equal. Now taking fourth equation, from fourth equation we have 4g plus c plus 4 equals to 0. That is 4 into minus 4 by 7 plus c plus 4 equals to 0. That is minus 16 by 7 plus c plus 4 equals to 0. Taking LCM, minus 16 plus 7c plus 28 by 7 equal to 0. 28 minus 16. 12 plus 7c equal to 0. Then 7c is equal to minus 12 and c is equals to minus 12 by 7. These three values in the circle equation. So x square plus y square plus 2 into minus 4 by 7 into x plus 2 into minus 4 by 7 into y minus 12 by 7 equal to 0. That is x square plus y square minus 8x by 7 minus 8y by 7 minus 12 by 7 equal to 0. Taking 7 LCM. 7x square plus 7y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. Therefore equation of circle is 7x square plus 7y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0, which is the required answer. That's it.